Okay, so do I want to take my hair down? No, but I was on the phone with my mom and she's like, you have to do a video on this faux fake braid right here because I cannot French braid in the middle for the life of me. I can French braid on the sides. I cannot do a braid in the middle. And this is a new like faux looking, fake looking French braid that is the easiest thing to do. I do this personally when my hair is dirty because you know, anytime your hair is dirty, you show all the oils in the front and people can tell your hair is dirty. But anytime your hair is dirty, if you pull back the bang area, it makes your hair look like it's clean, okay? It just looks like you put a little bit of extra shine on your hair because you styled it. So let me go ahead and show you what I did. I'm gonna undo all of this and I'm gonna redo it just for you, even though I think it's so perfect right now. All you need are these tiny little rubber bands, right? If you don't have the tiny rubber bands, I guess you could use the big rubber bands, but I don't know how it would look because you would actually see the rubber band more. But if you got the big rubber band, go ahead and just try it. I get these little tiny rubber bands at Walmart or Amazon or even the 99-cent store. They are super duper cheap. You get like 1,000 for $1 or $2, sorry. Okay, so I'm just pulling it out. And I'm going to show you what the tiny little rubber bands look like. Here we go. And it was just 3 tiny little rubber bands. When I say tiny little rubber band, this is it. Look at this. Cheap. Like, and okay, so this one's stretched out. It's not that big of a difference. Let me show you. Stretched out, not stretched out. You can still use the stretched out one. Okay, so this is what you're going to do, right? We're going to take that greasy, that greasy, oily bang area. Ooh, so bad. And we're just going to grab it, right? And we just have our bang area right here. Make sure that you're grabbing the same amount on each side. So like we want to be even. We don't want to grab it like this. We want to grab just the even amount. And we're just going to grab it. See, it's just the bang area. That's all it is. Now take your little rubber band that you have. There we go. And I'm going to raise the camera. Hold on 1 second. There we go. We got it. Now let's just put this into a ponytail. Make sure you don't get any other hairs in it. Like sometimes I grab the back hairs on accident. Okay, so we got the little ponytail, right? And your hair's done. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Okay, so you're just gonna poke a hole in the middle of it. Let's see, poke a hole, Christina. Not that hard. And flip it back. That's it, right? And then you're going to go down and watch what it's going to do. It's going to kind of lift and give you this raised, right? So cool, right? But it doesn't look cool that I just have like my little bang area. So I started here. Now I'm going to go straight back and making sure that I'm making another line. Grab another tiny little even section behind that. You see? Even section right behind it. Grab it all together. Take your tiny little rubber band. We're taking that piece that is in right here. It's in the middle of there. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to just do boom. Oh, you see what I'm talking about? How I get these little hairs that stick up that shouldn't go in it. Okay, there we go. And we have a rubber band now. Here's the rubber band above a rubber band, right? Let's go ahead and split it. And we're going to do the same thing. Go forward and then push it through. Forward and push. Forward and push. And we're going to go down. Check it out. You see how it's getting higher and higher? And then the last one, I typically like to do 3 because when I get to the third one, I'm already hitting where your occipital bone is. So where it starts to almost curve. So just go ahead and make sure that this last one is even. So it's, you see how I say even, how I have a straight line here? We don't want a crooked line. We want a straight line. And then we're going to go and do the same thing. And this is the last one. And then check it out. It's the last one. And then we're going to look all glam and bougie. And we're going to get on with the day and look fabulous. We're going to feel fabulous with dirty hair. Yes, I said that right. We're going to feel fabulous and look freaking on fleek or on point, whatever the kids used to say. I actually don't think they say that anymore. With dirty hair. And we're going to split it. And we're going to flip it. And then check this out. So that's the last one. And then we're going to go and we're going to pull it together. And it's going to boom and it's going to pop up like this. Pull it together and check it out. Pull the hair forward, or if it's super duper, like duper duper, overly duper dirty, you can pull it all back in a ponytail, grabbing that piece and adding it. And just look how this looks. Can we look? Can we see? Huh? Don't I look so freaking cool? I look so like punk rock. No, it's just a little more like elegant and edgy, and I love it. But I want my hair down. Eric always complains when my hair is up. He's like, you gotta take your hair down. You look like an old lady with your hair up. So for him, and to keep him happy, even though it should be just for me. Okay, I'm not doing it just for him, but you know, sometimes you like want to spruce things up. So I wear it down just to make like a little bit more sexy for him. Okay, so I wear it down. Look at that. I think it looks good. I think it looks great, actually. And I feel like I'm put together with super dirty hair. Anyways, I hope you guys loved this tiny little hair video and the chit chat I'm giving, or the silliness I give you guys sometimes. I love you all. I love doing this for you guys. If I can find a link to these tiny little rubber bands, I will post it in the comment section and the description box. Boom, tiny rubber band. It's great for anything, especially like when you braid your hair on the side. I don't like having these big chunky ones like right there. I like having a little tiny one. Anyways, I'll post clear and black and brown. If I can find them to Amazon, I'll search for you, just for you. Anyways, I love you. Mwah. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys go out there and rock today. Be yourself. Be authentic. Be an original. Actually, you are an original. What am I saying, being original? God created you to be you, not to be a follower, not to do what other people do. Well, actually, you know what? Hey, do this. Just put your own spin on it. Put some flowers in it or something. I don't know. But God created you to do what you do best, to be yourself, to be an original. And that's what people love and respect about others, is when they can actually be comfortable in their own skin. And you know what? You are a masterpiece. I'm telling you this right now. You watching, you are a masterpiece. God created you to be that way. So leave your mark on this world, regardless if you think it has to be elaborate or super tiny. Everybody is meant to be here. God hasn't taken you home yet. So you are meant to be here. You're meant to change the world. And I hope you do. And I hope you do it with love and compassion in your heart. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Let's go ahead and just roll on over to the quote of the day. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.